Everyone, welcome to Super20 Institute. Today we are going to talk about this question which also came in Punjab School Education Board Class 10th exam in 2017. So let's see what this question asks. It asks, for which value of P does the pair of equations given below have a unique solution? So we have given two pair of equations, linear equations. I can see, let's see what this equation says. So it has two variables, x and y, and some coefficients and constant terms. So we know that the general form of linear equation is given by a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. So this is the standard form of linear equations. If you compare the given equation 1 with the standard form, you can see that a1 equals 4 and b1 equals p, c1 equals 8 here. And then in the second equation, you can see that a2 equals 2, b2 equals 2, and c2 equals 2. All right. So before we begin to answer a question, I need you to remember that for a given pair of linear equations, there are three kinds of solutions. So remember this, that these three kinds of solution are, one is unique solution, whose condition is a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 upon b2. So this a1 upon a2 is the condition for a unique solution. Similarly, there are two other forms of solution, which are infinitely many solutions. For infinitely many solutions, the given condition should be a1 by a2 equals b1 upon b2 equals c1 by c2. So this is a condition, if you have infinitely many solutions, this condition should satisfy. Then again, the third kind of solution is no solution. In this, the condition is a1 upon a2 equals b1 by b2 should not be equal to c1 upon c2. So these are the three sets of solutions that we see if we solve linear equations. Sorry about that. Okay, it's crazy. Sorry about that. Okay. So now back to our question. We are asked for what values of P the given linear equation have a unique solution. So let's just pick this condition of a unique solution, which we have discussed, the first point. So to pick the solution, it says that A1 upon A2, this is for unique solution. It says A1 upon A2 should not be equal to B1 by B2. If you put the values of A1 upon A1, A2, and B1, B2 from this set of equation, let's say it's star. If you put the values from star, you can see 4 by 2 is not equal to P1. Here we have P by 2. And this 2 and this 2 cancels out with each other. We have P should not be equal to 4. So in the end, we have P should not be equal to 4. So when you're going to write out the solution, you can say that P will have, or okay, P will have all the real values except 4, because it should not be equal to 4. So this is the solution you will have at the end.